Hey everyone, and welcome back to Savor Smart. Can you believe it's already almost 2025? Time flies when you're having fun. Today, I'm sharing a super simple, easy to follow health routine that anyone can rock, even if you're short on time and big on to-dos. Let's dive in. Kickstart your day. The power of a morning routine. A well-structured morning routine can set the tone for a productive and positive day. Start your day with a big glass of warm water with lemon. This simple habit helps to hydrate your body after hours of sleep. It wakes up your digestive system and kickstarts your metabolism. Next, get moving. Physical activity in the morning can boost your energy levels and improve your mood. Even 5 minutes of stretching or light yoga can make a world of difference. It helps to loosen up your muscles and get your blood flowing. And hey, if you're really short on time, even a quick 2-minute walk around the house will do the trick. Don't skip breakfast. A nutritious breakfast is crucial for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Fuel your body with a nourishing meal like scrambled eggs with whole grain toast. This combination provides a good balance of protein and carbohydrates. Or a smoothie packed with spinach, banana, and Greek yogurt. It's a quick and easy way to get a dose of vitamins and minerals. Remember, starting your day with a little self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Taking time for yourself can help you feel more centered and ready to tackle the day. By incorporating these simple habits into your morning, you'll be amazed at how much more energized and focused you feel. These small changes can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. Trust me on this one. A consistent morning routine can truly transform your life. Staying healthy on the go. No time, no problem. Life can get pretty hectic, but staying healthy amidst the chaos is totally doable with meal prepping. Spend just 30 minutes on the weekend prepping your meals for the week. Think grilled chicken or fish, quinoa or brown rice, and a rainbow of roasted veggies. Portion them out into containers and boom. You've got your lunches and dinners sorted for the week. This not only saves time, but also ensures you have nutritious meals ready to go. Keep your energy levels up with healthy snacks like nuts, fruit, veggie sticks with hummus or yogurt. These snacks are easy to pack and perfect for when you're on the move. If you're glued to a desk all day, set a timer to remind yourself to get up and stretch every hour. Simple desk exercises can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Stay hydrated. Keep a big water bottle at your desk and sip on it throughout the day. Hydration is key to maintaining energy and focus. Remember, staying healthy on the go is all about being prepared and making mindful choices. Plan your meals, choose healthy snacks, and stay active even during busy days. With a little planning and effort, you can maintain a healthy lifestyle no matter how hectic your schedule gets. So take charge of your health today. Staying healthy on the go is all about being prepared and making mindful choices. You've got this. As your day starts to wind down, let's talk about how to create an evening routine that sets you up for a restful night's sleep. A well-planned evening routine can help you relax, de-stress, and prepare your mind and body for a good night's rest. Keep dinner light and nutritious to make digestion a breeze. Eating heavy meals late at night can disrupt your sleep and make you feel uncomfortable. Think stir-fried veggies with tofu or tempeh, which are both light and packed with nutrients. A big salad with grilled chicken or fish, or a hearty soup. These options are not only healthy, but also satisfying. Turn off all screens at least 30 minutes before bed. This helps your brain to start winding down and prepares you for sleep. The blue light from phones, laptops, and TVs can mess with your sleep cycle. It tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Instead of scrolling through your feeds, wind down with a good book. Reading can be a great way to relax and escape from the day's stresses. Listen to some relaxing music, which can help calm your mind and create a peaceful atmosphere. Or sip on a calming herbal tea. Herbal teas like chamomile or lavender can help you unwind and prepare for sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality shut-eye every night. Consistent sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Sleep is when our bodies repair and rejuvenate themselves. It's essential for maintaining physical and mental health. If you're having trouble falling asleep, try creating a relaxing bedtime routine. A warm bath, some light stretching, or gentle yoga can help relax your muscles. or reading a book can work wonders. These activities can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Remember, creating an evening routine that prioritizes rest and relaxation is one of the best gifts you can give yourself. It sets the tone for a productive and energized day ahead. So, we've talked about morning routines, staying healthy on the go, and creating an evening ritual for success. Now, let's talk about the key ingredient that ties it all together: consistency. Sticking to a new routine can be tough, but it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 habits that resonate with you and focus on incorporating those into your daily life. Once those habits start to feel like second nature, you can gradually add in more. It's okay to have off days. Just acknowledge it, move on, and get back to your routine when you can. The most important thing is to be kind to yourself, celebrate your wins, and never give up on your goals. That's it for today, friends. A simple health routine doesn't have to take hours. It just takes a little planning and consistency. Let's make 2025 the year we prioritize our health, no matter how busy life gets. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs a healthier routine, and don't forget to subscribe to Savor Smart for more tips on health, fitness, and nutrition. See you in the next video.